Hello everyone and welcome to today's section on electric bike fire prevention and safety. Electric bikes have become a popular mode of transportation, but it's crucial to understand the potential fire hazards and how to prevent them. In this session, we will discuss practical steps to avoid and eliminate fire accidents involving electric bikes. Let's get started. Let's begin with proper charging practices that needs to be followed. Use the manufacturer approved charger and battery for your electric bike. Manufacturers design chargers and batteries to work together safely. Using third party or incompatible components can lead to overheating and fires. Charge your bike in a well ventilated area, which is open area away from flammable material. Proper ventilation helps dissipate any heat generated during charging. Avoid charging near items that can catch fire easily, such as paper or cloth. Avoid overcharging. Disconnect the charger once the battery is fully charged. Overcharging can cause the battery to heat up and potentially catch fire. Modern chargers often have safety features to prevent overcharging, but it's still advisable to disconnect once fully charged. Regularly inspect the charger and cord for any signs of damage or wear. Damaged cords or chargers can expose wires and increase the risk of short circuits or electrical faults. Replace any damaged components immediately. Next, let's talk about battery maintenance to prevent potential fires. 1. Store your electric bike in a cool, dry place. High temperatures can increase the risk of battery malfunction. Heat can accelerate the breakdown of battery cells and lead to thermal runaway, a process that can result in fire or explosion. Check for physical damage on the battery casing, wires, and connectors. Replace damaged components immediately. Physical damage can compromise the integrity of the battery, potentially leading to electrical faults and fires. Regular inspections are necessary. Avoid puncturing or crushing the battery. Even a small impact can damage the cells and lead to a fire hazard. Lithium ion batteries contain flammable electrolytes. Any damage to the battery casing can expose these materials, increase the risk of fire. If you notice any unusual smells, hissing sounds, or excessive heat while riding, stop immediately and disconnect the battery. Seek professional help if needed. Unusual smells, sounds, or heat can indicate a malfunctioning battery. Continuing to use the bike in such conditions can be dangerous. Disconnect and consult a professional. Now let's see wiring and electrical components. Ensuring proper wiring and electrical components maintenance is essential. Here's what you need to know. 1. Routinely inspect the wiring and connections for signs of fraying, exposed wires or loose connections. Frayed wires and loose connections can generate sparks and heat, potentially leading to fires. Regular inspections help identify and rectify these issues. 2. Don't modify the electrical system unless you are a qualified professional. Aftermarket modifications can lead to electrical faults and fire hazards. Incorrect modifications can overload the system, cause shorts, or create unstable conditions, all of which can lead to fires. Only make modifications if you have necessary expertise. 3. Keep water and moisture away from electrical components as they can lead to short circuits. Water is a conductor of electricity and can create paths for current to flow where it shouldn't flow. Water induced short circuits can lead to overheating and fires. 4. If you experience any sudden loss of power, burning smells, or unusual behavior while riding, stop immediately and investigate. These symptoms can indicate electrical problems that, if ignored, might escalate to fires. Stopping and investigating promptly can prevent potential accidents. Lastly, let's discuss safe riding practices that can also contribute to fire prevention. Avoid aggressive riding that can strain the electrical system and generate excessive heat. Aggressive acceleration, braking, and frequent high speeds can stress the electrical components, generating more heat than the system can handle. Don't overload your electric bike with extra weight beyond its capacity. This can stress the components. Exceeding the bike's weight capacity puts undue stress on the motor, battery, and other components, potentially leading to overheating and fire. Regularly inspect the brakes to prevent overheating, which can cause and lead to fire. Overheated brakes can generate enough heat to ignite nearby materials. Regular maintenance and proper usage can prevent this. If possible, I would like to suggest a fire extinguisher. Always carry a fire extinguisher, which can be a lifesaver. A fire extinguisher can be a lifesaver in case of emergencies. Choose one suitable for electrical fires, as it's specially designed to handle such situations. Thank you all for joining this session on electric bike fire prevention and safety. By following these guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of fire accidents involving your electric bike. Remember, your safety is paramount, so stay vigilant and proactive in maintaining your electric bike. Safe riding.